Kids that would benefit from our services at Wildflowers would be anyone who has any kind of communication difficulty. So a young child who's difficulty expressing their first words, any kid who has a speech sound error, you can't understand what they're saying, anyone who has difficulty having conversations, maybe sequencing stories and having that back and forth conversation. As we're interacting with the kiddo, we are looking for what sounds they're using, what language they're using. We're watching all the kinds of indicators that you mentioned that your child might have difficulty with, and then we will start asking the parents some questions. So we will kind of work together to talk about the difficulties your child is having. Whatever you're having difficulty in those moments, we will work together so that we can create goals. If a school-age child comes in, we will typically have a bigger table set up so that the child can feel comfortable around the table. Again, we'll have something that they like to play with, maybe magnets or something a little more appropriate for their age. And then again, we will kind of interact with the child and listen for the difficulties that may have been mentioned in the intake form, and then ask those questions with the parent as well. Children learn through play, so we do everything through play as much as we can. So if it's a late talker coming into the room, there will be a bunch of toys, and we will describe the goal that we're working towards, how we're getting to that goal, and how you can do that goal at home so that the kiddo can meet that goal. Parents are typically involved within the session, so we do our best to say exactly what we're doing and how we're doing that goal. At the end of the session, we provide a note that says what we worked on, how they did in it, and how you can work on it at home, and then work on it at school, and work on it in different environments. At the end, we'll always give examples of how you can work on that same skill at home, so it will generalize into their everyday language faster.